Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to enable HVCI, also known as memory integrity or core isolation. So using this you can run Valorant smoothly without getting that annoying HVCI not enabled error. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So let's first check whether the virtualization is already enabled in your system. What you have to do is simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and that should open the run command, and then type the following, as you can see right over here, and then press enter, and that will open the system information window, as you can see right over here. Now please scroll down and look for the line that says virtualization based security service, which you can see right over here. Now it can also be shown in a different name, which should be also named as hyperversion. So just look for these options. If it says running or yes, that means the virtualization is enabled, and if it says not, you will need to enable virtualization in your BIOS. So now you can close this menu. Now let's make sure that memory integrity is enabled through Windows security. So first click on your start menu, and then just simply search for device security, as you can see right over here. Then open the application. Now in device security, open the core isolation details panel, which should be right in front of you, as you can see. Click on it, and over here if you will see that the memory integrity is turned off, all you have to do is just simply put it on, then click on yes if prompted. Now after turning it on, restart your PC to apply the changes. Once done, try launching Valorant again to see if the issue is resolved or not. So just simply go to your start menu and restart your computer. Now if the error still shows up, let's enable HVCI through the group policy editor. So this is more advanced method but still easy to follow. What you have to do is open your start menu, and then just simply search for group policy, which you can see right over here. So open it. Now inside the group policy section, navigate on the left hand side panel. So you can enlarge this section, or you can just make it full screen. Now over here just look for computer configuration, then administrative templates, and over here just look for system, and inside system just simply search for device card, which is right over here. Now on the right hand side just simply double click on turn on visualization based security, and the small pop-up window should appear in front of you. And over here in this window, all you have to do is just simply click on enabled, and then just simply click on OK, and then close the group policy editor, and then just simply restart your computer. Once your system boots up, go ahead and launch the Valorant again, and this should fully resolve the HVCI error. So that's it. HVCI is now enabled and your Valorant should run without any security related issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.